Hey everyone, welcome back to Hacker Society. If you are passionate about ethical hacking and cybersecurity, you're in the right place. In today's video, we are going to cover some critical topics like what is vulnerability, then the tools to find vulnerabilities, and installation of Nessus. Lastly, we will see overview of Nessus and its interface. So stay tuned until the end as I will also share what's coming up in the next video. Let's dive in. What is vulnerability? Vulnerability is a weakness in a system, application, or network that an attacker can exploit to compromise the security. So the examples may include outdated softwares, then misconfigured settings, or weak passwords, or unpatched systems. So just think of vulnerabilities as an window in your house. So it needs to be secured to prevent it from any unauthorized access. So this is same about vulnerability. Next, there are several tools available to identify the vulnerabilities in the systems and networks. So we will see some tools. First one is Nessus. So it's most popular and widely used vulnerability scanner. Then OpenVAS, that is Open Vulnerability Assessment Scanner. So it's open source and it is used for enterprise. Then Qualys. So it's a cloud-based security solution. And the last one is Burpsuit. So it's mostly and widely used for web application vulnerabilities. So for this video, we will focus on Nessus, a trusted, powerful tool which is used by cybersecurity professionals worldwide. So let's now go through the steps to install Nessus. So now we will see the steps to install Nessus. So first, visit the Nessus official website. Just enter Tenable Nessus. So this is the official website of Nessus. Just click here, Nessus Essentials. So for downloading the installer for your operating system, first register here in order to get the activation code. Just enter your name, last name, and then the email address, and then click on get started. So after that, on your email, you'll get one activation code. So in this way, after registering, you'll get this email. So this is your activation code which you'll need while installing, and from here you can download the Nessus. So I have already downloaded this file. So now let's move on to the installation part. So this is the installer which I have downloaded. So just run the installer. So just follow the on-screen instructions in order to complete the installation process. So after the installation is completed, Nessus will open in your web browser. Just click on continue to localhost. So please wait, the process is being initializing. This will take much time as all the plugins of Nessus will get installed in this process. So as the initialization part is completed, just click here on continue. And here select the option register for Nessus Essentials. Click continue. Here, enter the name, first name and last name which you have entered while registering on the website, and the email address. This should be same which you used while registration. Click on register. So next, this is the activation code. Click here on continue and create your user account by entering the username and password. So save this username and password for future use. Click on submit. So now the plugins are getting downloaded. So this process will take much time as Nessus download all the plugins which are required for scanning. So once the plugins are being downloaded, you will see this screen. So here just enter your username and password for signing in. So this is the first screen after logging in. So this displays the overview of scan results, active scans and some recently completed scans. So here it will highlight the critical vulnerabilities which are categorized by the severity. So this we will see in our next video while we scan a vulnerability. So this is the scans tab. So here it will manage and view all the scans. So this allows you to create a scan and also to schedule recurring scans. So this is the policies tab. So this will allow you to enable the customization of scan configurations. So from here you can create, edit and save policies to tailor the scan settings. So policies include some settings for credentials, plugins and scan targets. So next is the settings tab. So here you can configure all the Nessus settings including the license utilization, software update and the plugin details. Also user accounts. So from here you can manage the plugin updates, then the license activation and update preferences so that the tool stays up to date with the latest vulnerability definitions. So in the scans, when you click on create a new scan, you will see different scan templates. So these are the templates which Nessus uses for scanning a particular target. So the common Nessus scan templates are host discovery, used to discover the host and open ports, then the basic network scan to detect the vulnerabilities in network, then the advanced scan, web application tests for vulnerabilities in web applications, and the compliance scan. So Nessus is an effective tool for maintaining a secure IT environment. So the interface of Nessus is straightforward, it's not that much difficult. So it is a widely used vulnerability assessment tool which is developed by Tenable, and it helps to identify the vulnerabilities, misconfigurations and threats in the network. So it is essential for maintaining security by conducting detailed scans of the systems, networks and applications. So by the way, don't forget to subscribe to Hacker Society, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our amazing content. So that's it for today's video. We have covered what is vulnerability, then the tools used to find them, then installation of Nessus and overview and interface of Nessus. So in the next video, I will show you how to scan for vulnerabilities using Nessus with a practical demonstration. So if you are interested in live ethical hacking training, we have got you covered. Just check out the form linked in the description below. We would love to help you to sharpen your skills and take your knowledge to the next level. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.